underground. Pretty much the same thing in the States. No real big difference. Walk over and get a cart. I'm probably not gonna buy much today. I doubt if I get anything today though. I don't really need anything, but we shall see.
Mira, pagar servicios más. Sí, esto.
Sí, es para arriba. Arriba es para...
Oh, wow.
Sí, es dos. Es de garantía en el centro. Chichipato, no. Es garantía un año acá. Este es más barato para esto.
Es barato, muy caro.
Ok.
Belgium beer.
¿Qué? Repita.
Belgium beer.
English. Belgium. Belgium beers.
Belgium
Beer.
beer.
Cerveza. Belgium cerveza. Es más diferente. Mira, esto es... No, es muy chiquitas. 60,000 pesos.
Pero trae 24. Completo.
Oh, wow, es
Todo es-
muchos
24.
paraguayos.
No es Corona.
¿Es mismo precio?
Yo creo. Ahorita están allí. Ahorita miramos si Corona o eso, pero recuerda que cuenta Corona.
On a store, so they're trying to figure out if the pricing is better here for this stuff or where they've been getting it before, and so far it's cheaper here to buy it in bulk than where they were getting it before. So for example, these chips, no, not these, there's 50 in a pack for under 50 mil. They sell it at 2 mil per chip, so they'll make a little profit on that. Same with the peanuts over here. These peanuts go for 2 per meal. There's 40 in the box. No, I'm sorry. There's 24 in the box for 35, 2 meal a piece. Make a little profit on that as well. So they're just trying to figure it all out. That's what we're doing today. Just checking out pricing and different stuff. So far, this is all we got. ¿No gusta estos?
A ver, 104.
180. ¿Cuánto es para uno? 500,000.
Dividido, ¿cuántas trae 100?
2,000.
¿Cuántas unidades? 180, dividido 180. Ah, 500 pesos.
O otro, 67. Salt crackers. Everything is galletas. But 12 mil for all that? That's pretty good. Almonds. So yeah, they're looking at all this for their store. And these prices. Interesting, because I can see where you can make a profit on this stuff, because it's so much cheaper in here buying in bulk for what they sell it for. So, interesting. Got my wheels turning. But we shall see. I'll get home and do a little work thinking about a store for myself and where I would put it, because I can see profit in this. Pastries, chocolate, strawberry, blanco, soccer balls, birthday cakes, cupcakes, you name it, they got it. prices all over. Anywhere from $10, $12. Talking vino, no sampler for the vino. I don't drink it anyway. Juices, meat, plenty of carne, pollo, well, beef, chicken.